Complete edge processing with pre-milling unit on the smallest footprint at the best price. The Felder G263 Edgebander is the perfect solution for small workshops with high-quality standards. The G263 processes coiled materials with thicknesses of 0.4 to 2 mm for panel materials up to a thickness of 45 mm. All material-related settings and changeovers are done quickly, easily and safely. The Felder Quick Set system provides the quickest, most precise and fastest changeover for fast and exact adjustment to the respective edge thickness. The multifunctional milling unit and the radius scraper unit, which can be switched on and off, are easily adjusted to the nearest tenth of a millimeter via indicator clocks. On request, a surface scraper unit ensures even more quality and precision. Innovative predefined snap-in positions on the solid infeed fence provide quick adjustment of the Felder G263 to the respective edge thickness being processed. The comfortable and precise adjustment of the panel thickness up to 45 mm is done using a hand wheel with dial indicator. The Teflon-coated glue pot has a capacity of 1 kilo of granulate. The extendable workpiece support with roller conveyor provides sufficient supporting surface for oversized workpieces. After a short preheating time, the Felder G263 is ready for operation. The LCD display shows the temperature of the glue, and the guillotine unit, end trimming unit, scraper, and buffing unit are quickly selected and operational for the intended machining process. Precise mechanical workpiece infeed chain system and diagonally arranged smooth infeed rollers, 7 meters per minute feed speed, no damage to workpiece surfaces of high-grade laminated materials. The Felder G263 offers proven technology of the highest quality at the best value. The G263 fits into the smallest space and impresses with its complete edge processing from jointing to radius, glue scraping and polishing unit. The result: edge processing at its best.